Hello guys, welcome back to Disha Study. In this session, we will do 30 previous year questions from the Computer and IT subject which asked in the previous SSC examination conducted from 2010 onwards to 2023. And this is the 25th part of this series, and the link of this series playlist you will find in the description box. So let us start with the question. First question is, which of the following is the address of the fifth row and the third column in an Excel sheet? Your A option is C5, B option is E3, C option is 5C, and the last option is 3E. So the right answer is the option A, that is C5. Okay. So जब एड्रेस सेल का लिखना होता है तो सबसे पहले कॉलम को लिखा जाता है, देन रो को. ओके, इस कॉलम को रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है A B C D इस तरह से. सो थर्ड कॉलम मीन्स C, एड्रेस C, एंड फिफ्थ रो मीन्स फिफ्थ नंबर 5 यहाँ पर आएगा, दैट इज C5. ओके. Next question is, what will be the result of formula equal to 120 into 5 divided by 10 raised to power 2 in MS Excel? Your A option is A, B option is 9, C option is 8, D option is 7. So the question is very simple. So the right answer is the option A, that is 6. 120 into 5 equal to 600 divided by 10 raised to power 2 divided by 100. 600 divided by 100 कितना आएगा? 6. So option A is the right answer. Now the next question is, रीड द वर्कशीट ऑफ MS Excel 2010 केयरफुली. यहाँ पर एक एक्सेल शीट दी हुई है एंड अकॉर्डिंग चूज द बेस्ट सुटेबल ऑप्शन फॉर द क्वेश्चन दैट फॉलोज. तो यहाँ पर एक शीट दी हुई है, कॉलम्स A B C D दिए हुए हैं एंड 4 रोज दी हुई है, दैट इज 1 2 3 एंड 4. So what is the question? What is the absolute address of the cell containing the numeric value of 10? Okay, here are the 4 options. So first of all, find out where is the number 10. So it is located here. Okay, you can see नंबर 10 इज हियर. सो यहाँ पर कॉलम कौन से कॉलम में यहाँ पर नंबर 10 पड़ा हुआ है? सो कॉलम बी में. ओके, और रो कौन सी है? रो को रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है 1 2 3. तो रो देखिए, रो यहाँ पर आ रही है 2, राइट. सो अब्सोल्यूट एड्रेस ऑफ द सेल. सो नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द एड्रेस ऑफ दिस सेल वेयर 10 इज लोकेटेड. ओके, सो यहाँ पर देखें तो एड्रेस को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए सबसे पहले कॉलम को रेफर किया जाता है, देन रो को. ओके, सो कॉलम यहाँ पर है बी और रो कौन सी है? वो है 2. ओके, सो अगर हम सिंपली बात करें B2, सो ये हो गया रिलेटिव एड्रेस. यहाँ पर पूछा जा रहा है अब्सोल्यूट एड्रेस. तो अब्सोल्यूट एड्रेस को रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है डॉलर के साथ. डॉलर को पहले इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा कॉलम से पहले और देन रो से पहले भी डॉलर को लगाया जाएगा, फिर बनेगा अब्सोल्यूट एड्रेस. तो कितना आएगा अब्सोल्यूट एड्रेस? $B$2. ओके, सो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, नाउ लेट मी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next is, counting the number of cells in a range with specific criteria in MS Excel 2010 can be done using blank. Your A option is sum function, B option is count function, C option is if function, and the D option is count if function. So counting the number of cells in a range with the specific criteria. So for that we use the count if function. Okay, so option D is the right answer. Next is, in MS Excel 2010, blank is used in replacing text within a sheet. Your A option is Alt plus R, B option is Control plus H, C option is Alt plus F shortcut key, and D option is Control plus F. So the right answer is option B, that is Control plus H. Next question is, in MS Excel 2010, blank function key is used to edit a cell. A option is F4, B option is F2, C option is F3, D option is F1. So the right answer is option B, that is F2. Next question is, tables created through table feature of MS Excel 2010 allow users to filter blank by different values. A option is cell, B option is filter, C option is column, and D option is rows. The right answer is option C, that is column. Next is, what is the maximum zoom percentage in MS Excel 2010 application? Your A option is 400, B is 300, C option is 200, and the last option is 500. So the right answer is option A, that is 400. Maximum zoom percentage is 400, minimum is 10%, and by default is 100. Okay. Next is, which of the following is a shortcut key used to insert a new worksheet in an existing MS Excel 2010 workbook? A option is Shift plus F11, B option is Shift plus Control plus F10, C option is Shift plus F10, and the last option is Shift plus Control plus F11. So in an Excel workbook, if you want to insert a new worksheet, so the shortcut key for that is Shift plus F11. Okay, so option A is the right answer. Next question is, unhide option is present in blank tab in MS Excel 2010 ribbon bar. Your A option is File, B option is Insert tab, C option is Data tab, and D option is View tab. The right answer is option D, that is View tab. Next question is, blank shortcut key is used to move to the previous sheet in MS Excel 2010. Your A option is Alt plus page up, B option is Alt plus page down, C option is Control plus page down, and D option is Control plus page up. So the right answer is option D, that is Control plus page up. Next question is, consider the following statement about exact function of MS Excel 2010. First statement is, it compares two text strings and returns true if they are exactly the same. And the second statement is, it compares two text strings and returns 1 if they are not exactly the same. And the third and the last statement is, it compares two text strings and returns false if they are not exactly the same. Okay, first statement is different and 2 and 3 are contradictory to each other. So which of the following statement is true about the exact function? Here are 4 options, so the correct one is the option D, that is 1 and 3. First statement and the 3 statement are the correct about the exact function. So if we talk about the exact function, so what it do? So it compares the two text strings and it returns true if both the text strings are the same, and returns false if they are not the same. Okay, and one more thing which you have to remember is that exact function is case sensitive. Okay. Next question is, blank shortcut key is used to move to the next sheet in MS Excel 2010 workbook. Your A option is Control plus page down, B option is Alt plus page up, C option is Alt plus page down, and the D option is Control plus page up. So the right answer is option A, that is Control plus page down. Next question is, in MS Excel 2010, the blank feature helps us to add the content, that is numeric value, of a cluster of adjacent cells. A option is autofill, B option is pivot table, C option is autosum, and D option is charts. So the right answer is option C, that is autosum. Next question is, which of the following shortcut key is used to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box in MS Excel 2010 worksheet? Your A option is Control plus D, B option is Control plus K shortcut key, C option is Control plus G, and last option is Control plus H. So the right answer is option B, that is Control plus K. That is, to insert the hyperlink dialog box, the shortcut key is Control plus K. Next question is, which of the following function is used to display current date with time in the cell of MS Excel 2010 worksheet? Your A option is time function, B option is now function, C option is time value function, and D option is date function. So the right answer is option B, that is now function. Next question is, in MS Excel 2010, blank looks up values in the reference or array. A option is count function, B option is sum function, C option is VLOOKUP function, and D option is match function. So the right answer is option D, that is match function. Next question is, choose the wrong option with respect to MS Excel 2010. A option is, in MS Excel 2010, we can insert a table from Insert tab. B option is, in MS Excel, we can save the file by using the F12 function key. C option is, in MS Excel 2010, we cannot insert comment to a cell. And D option is, in MS Excel 2010, to open a new file, the shortcut key used is Ctrl plus N. So which one is the wrong option? So option C is the right answer, that is, in MS Excel 2010, we cannot insert a comment to a cell. जबकि हम सेल किसी भी सेल में जो है कमेंट ऐड कर सकते हैं. So that's why this C option is the wrong. Next is, which of the following keyboard shortcut used to start a new line in the same cell in MS Excel 2010 worksheet? Your A option is Control plus Enter, B option is Alt plus Enter, C is Shift plus Enter, and the last option is Tab plus Enter shortcut key. So to insert a new line in the same cell, the shortcut key is Alt plus Enter. So option B is the right answer. Next is, in MS Excel 2010, blank operation is used to open an already existing file. Your A option is Open, B option is Save As, C option is New, and D is Save. So the right answer is option A, that is Open. Next is, which of the following font style is not available in the MS Excel 2010 font dialog box? A option is Super Bold, B option is Italic, C option is Bold, and D is Regular. So the right answer is option A, that is Super Bold. Next question is, in MS Excel 2010, blank is a table of grouped values that aggregates the individual items of a more extensive table within one or more discrete categories. Your A option is bar, B option is spreadsheet, C option is line, and D option is pivot table. So right answer is option D, that is pivot table. Next question is, what is the output of the following expression in MS Excel 2010? So what is the expression here? Equal to 9 by 6 into 4 plus 3 minus 1. Your A option is 12, B is 6, C option is 10, and D is 8. So right answer is option D, that is 8. जब आप इसको solve करोगे तो आंसर आएगा 8. Next is, choose the wrong option in relation to cell. Your A option is any information you enter in a spreadsheet will be stored in a table. stored in a cell. कोई भी हम information add करते हैं spreadsheet में तो वो store होती है cell में जाके. Okay. B option is cell can contain text such as letters, numbers, but not dates. Your C option is cells can contain text such as letters, numbers, and dates. Here B and C options are contradictory to each other. And last option is cells can contain formatting attributes that change the way letters, numbers, and dates are displayed. So the wrong one is the option B, that is cell can contain text such as letters and numbers but not dates. क्योंकि cell में आप date को भी enter कर सकते हो. Okay, so B option is the incorrect. Next is, blank function in MS Excel 2010 returns the total number of characters in a string. A option is LEN, that is length function. B option is countif, C is sum, and D is countif. As the name suggests, that is to count the total number of characters in a string. So for that, length function is used, that is LEN. Okay, option A is the right answer. Now the next question is, in MS Excel 2010, blank function provides only the current system date. Your A option is today function, B option is current function, C option is year function, and D option is now function. The right answer is option A, that is today function. Next question is, hide option is present in blank tab in MS Excel 2010 ribbon bar. Your A option is data tab, B option is file, C option is insert tab, and the last option is view tab. So the right answer is option D, that is view tab. Unhide option and the hide option both are present under the view tab in the ribbon bar. Next question is, in MS Excel 2010, blank is used for hiding columns within a sheet. Your A option is Control plus 0, B option is Control plus 9, C option is Alt plus 0, and D option is Alt plus 9. So the right answer is option A, that is Control plus 0. Shortcut key is used for hide a column within a sheet. Next question is, in MS Excel 2010, blank are named from A onwards and blank are named from 1 onwards. Now try to find out the right answer. Your A option is tables and pivot table, B option is chart and graph, C option is columns and rows, and D option is rows and columns. So I hope that you choose the right option. So the right answer is the option C, that is columns and rows. It means columns are named from A onwards and rows are named from 1 onwards. Now the next and the last question of this session is, that is the blank formula in MS Excel has primary function of summing numbers in specific cells. Your A option is count, B option is average, C option is sum, and D is if. The right answer is option C, that is sum formula or sum function. So that's it guys. I hope that you love the content. So please like the video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.